Introducing the SABRE Pepper Spray, the ultimate self-defense tool trusted by professionals worldwide. As the #1 pepper spray brand used by police departments, including New York PD and Chicago PD, you can rely on its maximum police strength to keep you safe. With its quick-release keychain, you'll have easy access to the spray when seconds count. The finger grip design ensures more accurate and faster aim, allowing you to effectively deter attackers. Plus, it's made in the USA and backed by an in-house HPLC lab, offering you the highest quality and reliability. Featuring 25 bursts, this pepper spray provides 5x more protection, making it ideal for defending against multiple assailants. Its twist-lock safety ensures secure and easy use, giving you peace of mind. To maximize your safety, the packaging includes links to free SABRE pepper spray training videos and safety tips. Join the 101,724 satisfied customers who have rated this product 4.7 out of 5 stars. Stay prepared and protected with the SABRE Pepper Spray, the best-selling self-defense pepper spray on the market. Don't compromise on your safety.